Hey gang, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to this, our final episode on this particular kitchen remodel. We haven't been here in a while, but we wanted to come by today and give you a look at the final product. It came out perfectly. All the design features that we had came out just the way we thought they would. And one comment that everybody makes here is it feels so much bigger. It feels like we added square footage and we didn't. We just made efficient use of all the space. So before we go inside, let's take a look at some of our past videos real quickly and show you what it took to get us here. right, gang, that was a lot of fun going back, looking at the past videos, seeing what it took to get this project to the way it is today. We had a lot of fun, and this kitchen had almost everything you're going to find in a kitchen remodel. Well, let's go inside and check it out. Follow me. Hey, you might have noticed a couple things in the walkthrough that we didn't film, and I just want to go over those real quick and show you a couple of the things we did. So one of them was this window seat. So my wife made this cushion, and then I made the window seat out of one sheet of Baltic birch plywood. That includes the cabinet and the drawer. I had actually never built a drawer before. This one I made using pocket screw construction. It's on full extension glides. And then the door front here is one of our doors that came with these cabinets. And when we switched over to glass, I had a bunch of these left over. So that worked perfectly as a door front. Look at that. And then I made this little detail right here, just to make it look like it's a separate piece of furniture. That's all screwed together. Not a single nail in it. So that's one thing. Come over here and we'll show you something I did in the office. So remember in a previous video when we were hanging up these barn doors, we had a problem where they would keep going. For example, this door would keep going this way and it would come off of our guide because these don't come with a stop in the middle. So I came up with this idea. I found these bumpers on McMaster Car, McMaster.com. They're an inch in diameter, they're an inch high, and they have a stud coming out the back. Get on the back side, Jordan. So I just drilled out one of the screws holding this plate on and attached these bumpers right there. And they work perfectly. Look at that. Unobtrusive, and it was a good solution for that problem.
Nice.
Yep. Another thing we wanted to show you was how we installed the receptacles on the island. So during electrical rough-in, I had them right here. That used to be the way the code was written, but that's no longer allowed. And we actually failed our electrical rough-in and we had to move them. So this is what we did. We have this power strip on this end and one on the opposite end. And what's so cool about them is they come with a USB. And these are tied into a ground fault over there. So we actually filmed the installation of this, but honestly, gang, I wasn't on my game that day. And
I scrapped it.
Jordan deleted the video. So that's another reason why we're doing our garage conversion, because we can take something like this and really go into a deep dive on how to do this, because these are kind of tricky, to tell you the truth.
They are.
Yep. All right, gang, that's going to be a wrap for this kitchen remodel. It came out great. We love it. The owners love it. Everybody who comes here just thinks it's fantastic. It was a great design, great execution. If this is the first time you're visiting our channel, make sure you go back and watch all of our individual videos on this remodel to see how we got here. There's a lot of great tips and tricks in all those videos. So if you're liking the videos, like it down below for us. We would appreciate that. If you have any questions, drop them below in the comments. We'd be happy to answer those for you. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next one.